Backcountry for life here. Thanks for tuning into my channel. So I've struggled in the past with trying to dry out these hydration bladders, HydraPaks, camelbaks, various names for these things. Just because, you know, they're designed weird. These ones specifically with the little plastic, you know, at the top, and they just kind of keep closed like that, and it's been hard to really get them to dry out. And so I've come up with devised a little different way of doing it that works for me, that I've been using every time I've needed to dry out my hydration bladders. So essentially what you'll want to do is first empty out all the water here, and then you're gonna disconnect the hose from the bladder. And what you'll want to do is take off the rubber tip that comes with it. I know that camelbaks are different than these HydraPaks. You just want to take off the tip so that it can dry out. You know, that's really important. So you just set that aside somewhere. What you'll want to have with you is a string that you've created into a loop, tied into a loop. I just pulled this string out of some paracord and made a loop with it. And you also want to have a couple paper towels with you to do this. So once you've disconnected your hose from your bladder, you'll want to blow out all of the water that might be remaining in there, just like that. And then you'll go ahead and just hang it up on something. Make sure that both ends are open on the hose, and just let it hang up there just like that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your hydration bladder, crumple up a couple of these. You can have 2, you can have 3 of these paper towels, and you'll crumple them up and kind of just stuff them right into the entrance of the hydration bladder where you pour in the water. Then you're going to take your loop and you're going to hang it on something, a nail or someplace that you can hang something. Just put it up there so you can hang it. And then you'll take your hydration bladder and take the string that you've created into a loop, and you just let it hang there like that. What's going to happen is that water is going to drip down into the paper towels. And unfortunately, this specific hydration bladder doesn't have a hook at the top. Some camelbaks do, some other type of bladder brands have the hook at the top, which makes it really easy to hang it. But if you don't, just make a loop with some string and then hang it from the top here like I've done with this. This one's specific for Moscow Moto. I use it when I go motorcycle camping. I love the bag itself. The only improvement they can make is making a little hook that you can use to hang this particular HydraPak. But if yours has it, much more beneficial for you. So that's how I let my hydration packs dry out. It takes a day or 2. I do it in the garage just because it's a little warmer in here and it dries out a lot faster. But you definitely want to dry them out because you don't want to keep those hydration packs closed. If you do, mold will grow inside, and next time you fill it up, you'll have moldy water, which is really a health benefit. So just keep that in mind, and hope you enjoyed this tip. Please like and subscribe. Would appreciate it.